Mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so midi ede adwoa sechi mesro na wa subscribe to GCN page so now don't sa emia notification bell ne so be notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia obenye bia tie anasa obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha Ghana fu bia ke komo adwen e de a kire abrante a oye sinetweni actor John Dumelo na Ghana fu nsem omo ka kire John ina ne se onfa ni bullshit emfi onfa ni nsem hu no okeka e kire eye his excellency na na do dankwa no emfi ho na ebi mo nso e kire se eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama so ono no oye president e na eniama enkoye ya anka John Dumelo bekeka san nsem hu ya okenya na adofo edensem e na John dia atudwan nam so Ghana fu bi akomadwen e de a kire no John Dumelo eye actor esanso eye politician eye farmer na family work and we taking it serious pa politics nso odno ho ashem 2020 o stande e wo Ayawaso West constituency e ka akra bi nko odi nkunim na Ayawaso wo no me no enye easy kura se obetimi age seat na FNPP funsem afi wasan so akopeke forms Ghana fu bi HSA John anka be yanka wo de wani akirem e wo oti ready ho baby na Ayawaso de forget it because nya de abewini John Dumelo HSA eye his excellency na nado danko akufuado imbre wo mi ye mbrebone economy ni nkoyie ye ni sika nti sa eye friend say 6 March ye be ye holiday ya ye be celebrate sika be kominye sika ketwa sika be ya his excellency na nado danko akufuado enjoy celebration no na sika na chese nka de be celebration no on fe ntu adwuma ye fubika ana se bibia enkoyie no on fa sika ni nkohyem na eno na Ghana fu bi HSA bra Johnny eyense kwasase na okeka no nja sense mu na okeka no na celebration we de bia ya de ekoso nti adenti na ndede obeka se celebration ehu him na yente ensema John eka ede ekire his excellency na nado danko akufuado nam so Ghana fu bi akomadwen ede akire no John HSA and I quote greetings at Ekufuado respectfully we are in hard times can you please cancel all states regional and district Independence Day celebration? You can do your usual fellow Ghanaians broadcast on TV. This will save us millions of cedis. Thanks so much. And see, in some way, and John a day out to just say a year day celebrations a war regions na district no a year there his excellency na Danko Akufuado onjai na omeye ne fellow Ghanaians no e wo TV so ene obi abete na sa celebration e disika say e na eba na yentie ensem Ghana fu bi so e kan e de e kire John reply a de ma John we e kire say will your greedy Mahama cancel it when he comes and things are not going on well and when so e kire say when Ghana so hard time ago did JDM cancel 6th March celebration in this world when people are fed up with you? Comment with the ready. And I went so HSA hard times though, but the cancellation of the Independence Day is bullshit. A bullshit to cry. So be catch na now they say on cancel a year Independence Day. It is same way na Ghana fu bi aka a day ache abrante actor John Dumelo.
Paneba usu timi kobi now mama ko ase dunkatia de no so hwe ase dunkatia no won ya na ye kan e bi obi beka se papa na nyini nti ani ko ase ene ne kasasa ai and there when he's old enough to be my father but wicked enough not to be my father mama kan se bi nchira wo what den ho da say why is it that the NDC people omo attain power omo go through omo hierarchy na no ma se so omo busuafo nyina ko go abruchiri if they meant good for Ghana Rollins buy was a son in Manina could go abroad. Say, dear, yen here for Mangu Ghana, and a bazinato, and quiet doctor, no me dear. And in fact, people of Kolekrote see nothing wrong with what went on. Eda so to Obama Zinato. So me di obi ane papa de o manizika at the expense of you. And a so no call ye chin was in a down for Bruni be na channel. No aba monto aba mame na wo dia wo mame de man sika ne bi de wo kwa brochira enka umbeye mampenu asa akoto aba no de ama no oba no wanka kire mu se kole laguna da ho no wo beye ne cleaning the way sisu wo atena so say Meba. What na so how many years ni? Mummy and fair no to chain. I said Dunketia said the American no was a wicked man. Na ono no ambition say obey lead NDC na wa baba ye flag bearer. Enye Mahama ho no odwene. Because we short na say Dunketia beto say they went to court. Omuni evidence bia na opeso o catch say Mahama, excuse my language, is useless in terms of presidency. A candidacy say yemfa no embe just mampanyin because or person kire say Mahama ye jai Ghana man obese no why na adwen say person say Ghana because ya to abawe peacefully na mutimi koka kire ye say aba no mawi ni abra mokra no munki mesi NDC no let us dare them say 1992 year to about 96 year to about 2000 year to about 2004 year to about 2008 year to about 2012 year to bisa one a single collation of these elections they cannot and they have never they always win elections from electoral commission they bring there. They have never themselves gathered any pink sheet. In any case, I say don't get your case or beka you know. Or say or machine no e crash here meboa. Thank you. I say don't get your the answer but to answer my beka you know. Ah? Sa you know true na entimi antina wumu once and tro no kura ba mu entimi ntina you let it out. Ubeka ye no ye de nyansa to ho ne wakasa say don't get your catches on computer crash here me pa chaw wo kwota untimi mfa computer nkotena ho say wo de kwaya dance here from my computer. That is why in 2012 MPP kono na e computer but we never went there with computer. We went there with certified pink sheet from the electoral commission. And do the computer kwa electoral commission can just tell you say oh I don't know the computer. I have not issued any computer out. And this our computer crashing and now you had the pink sheet from your various voting centers, polling stations now. What prevented you from going to court with a pink sheet? Mokasi ya Jimmy Modi adi be diagro. Pink sheet na ba umiadi kwa chire. Afarijan sa abatu onye we mu no. Afarijan no agi tu mu se we mu no. Eno mo anya bi. And I said, no, so my computer crashing and it's crashed with a pink sheet. You think we are sabi Jimmy for you? Wow. Anyway, you are talking to the NDC people, shallow-minded people, so you can easily convince them on that. But yeah, from the other side, MPP there, Masa door deep. You cannot just talk. You cannot just talk. Now, NDC has a little over 6 million core, let's say, sympathizers. And a political party on team share 6 million, so, or say for 33 million man on one so. And penny for say, kusika any free Akrantenam. Because Akrantia is more expensive. Akrantia is more expensive than Kusie. And to so be free Kusie and one to me probability say we free Akrantia won't mean 99.99%. And if you cannot contain 6 million people, yet you are advocating, you are appealing to us, say in fact 33 million Ghanaians. Ghana for say hell no, we can't do that. Look at what is happening. Over some powerful. Me can be see asem so. Abe catch NDC for ni say. Modie Ekufuado aban we winning the clear. Ye ja papa no pa ja Ghana di mana. Said the MPP be boy dwuma hye Ghana no. Ye sign baba ye den. Enti de beti ma ya ni say. Je say ye twitwa ntro